What's happening? What's going on, guys? So today we are just outside Lexington, Kentucky. Drove like 7 hours, 6.5 hours. We're about to pull in. We're here for 2 days. Lauren's cousin is getting married, and then we're driving over to Nashville, Tennessee for 3 days to hang out. We're going to Nashville just to sightsee, to hang out for a couple days, a little mini vacation, and we'll see what we can find. Alright guys, so we are here. We did some wedding stuff, hung out. She is icing the cake, and it's about to downpour rain. My camera is about to die. Other batteries are at the hotel. So yeah, didn't miss a whole lot today. I'm gonna film tomorrow at the wedding. Not filming for the wedding. We're just here as guests today. But we're gonna be all dressed up. It's gonna be a good day. It's supposed to rain all day, so hopefully it holds off for a little bit. But after that, we're driving over to Tennessee. Alright guys, so it is Saturday now. We just started getting up and getting ready. We're going to get some lunch. Then we're gonna come back, get ready for the wedding, and head on over there. Hopefully the weather holds off. It's currently not raining, but there's like anywhere from 30 to 60% chance for the rest of the day. So we'll see how this wedding goes. But we're gonna get food now because we're hungry. Alright guys, so we're back from lunch. We ended up going to a burger place that also specializes in God damn it. Sushi. And very weird combo. But I got a burger and Lauren got a chicken teriyaki bowl. Now we're getting ready to head to the wedding, changing, doing all that stuff, and my allergies are acting up because the wedding is at a barn way back, kind of just like really far off the road, and I've never had seasonal allergies before, but it is going crazy right now, so I just feel like I'm dying. So hopefully that, we got some medicine, so hopefully that clears up, and yeah, we got to be at the wedding by 2 to take care of some things, and it is currently 1:48, so I'm gonna change. Hey, we are out here for the wedding. My allergies are still going crazy. She's finishing up stuff with the cake, and then we're gonna hang out. So I'm gonna get some little B-roll shots of just the area, and yeah, so we're gonna start now. Let's go. Sorry, it's the drone. The sun's getting a little bright, guys. Hopefully we can get it. We might lose it. We might, where is it? Right there. We might lose it before this charges. Alright guys, so I just shot the drone again. It is now 9:14. Sunset was technically 9:04. So you guys can kind of see it back here. I mean, it still looks really good. We'll see what I got. Drone died, had to charge it. Flew again, only had about 2 minutes to fly. So we'll see what I got. I was just kind of flying around, getting some shots. Enjoy the rest of the night, and then probably see you guys in the morning when we drive to Nashville. So, see you guys then.